Hey everybody, it's Erin and welcome back to Style Sew Me. So many of you liked my recent video on my sewing studio at home that I wanted to show you how to create your own space. And so I heard from a lot of you that you are using like your dining room tables or some little corner of your home because you don't really have the space to have your own creativity corner. And so I've partnered with design studios today to show you how to create your own sewing haven in your home. I also have a big surprise for you in the form of a giveaway, but you've got to watch to the end of the video to see what that giveaway is and how to enter. So if you've only got a small space like your dining room table to work with in your home, this is the video for you. Because many of us start in our dining room, I know I did, because the table is a big work surface, but we find ourselves struggling to fit our supplies and just being able to work comfortably. I get it, I've been there. Truth is, you don't need a ton of space to set up your own little corner of sewing heaven. All you need is a sturdy table that can hold your sewing machine and essential supplies so you can clear off your dining room table. The right table should have enough surface space to hold one or even two of your sewing machines. The drop-down platform on my comment table allows you to align your sewing machine base height to the tabletop height if you like, allowing the fabric to glide smoothly across the top. This is great for you quilters out there. And of course, you'll need a light to make sure that you get that stitching perfect. I also love to have my pins, nippers, and seam ripper right next to me for easy access. Think you've run out of space? Nope. Getting a table with additional storage options is really important to make sure that you get the most use out of your small space in your home. And I love to use old shoe boxes to store my essentials like my pins, pattern weights, seam rippers, measuring tape, and lots of other things that I use on every single project. If you sew larger projects like clothes for yourself or quilts, it's also important that your sewing table give you enough extra space for that. And the comment table has got you covered with the drop leaf extension that adds tabletop space for your fabric while sewing. Or you can drop it down to put it away to add some extra space to your sewing area. So as you can see, there is so much that you can do to create your own space in your home, even if it's a small space. So for that giveaway, Design Studios and Style Sew Me have partnered to give one lucky winner a free comment desk. Yes, you can win this whole entire desk. Not my stuff, just the desk. All you have to do is click the link below this video in the info box to enter in the giveaway. This giveaway closes on Sunday, February 11th at 11:59 Central Standard Time. So make sure to get your entries in at the link below this video. The winner will be announced on Style Sew Me on February 12th, which is Monday. Good luck!